We have to compare hypochlorite, chlorate, and perchlorate ions for basicity, shape, disproportionation, and oxidizing action. Let us solve step by step. For chlorine oxyacids, acidity increases as the number of oxygen atoms increases. So the conjugate base strength is in the reverse order. Hence hypochlorite is the strongest conjugate base, so statement A is correct. Chlorate has 3 bonds and 1 lone pair on chlorine, so its shape is trigonal pyramidal and is affected by the lone pair. Perchlorate has no lone pair on chlorine and hypochlorite is diatomic. So only chlorate fits this condition, making statement B correct. Hypochlorite gives chloride and chlorate, while chlorate gives chloride and perchlorate. Since the two product sets are not identical, statement C is incorrect. In this reaction, sulfite is converted to sulfate, so sulfur is oxidized. Hypochlorite is reduced to chloride, so hypochlorite acts as the oxidizing agent. Therefore, statement D is correct. The correct statements are A, B, and D. For more such clear step-by-step solutions, keep learning with Acharya.